Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen protector touch problem in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on display. Now in display scroll down and here you will see a touch sensitivity button. So first of all turn on this button, and after turning on this button it will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on lock screen, and in lock screen scroll down and here you will see a always on display button. So if you have turned off always on display, then turn it back on, and after turning it on it will fix your screen protector issue. So if you are still facing the problem, then it means it's a problem with your protector. So remove the protector and install a new protector. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.